Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Toyota CHR. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat position and mirrors to ensure clear visibility all around the vehicle. Locate essential controls like the headlights, wipers, and climate system. Understanding these basics before you even start, the engine will make your first drive much smoother and more confident. To start your CHR, simply press the brake pedal firmly and then push the engine start/stop button. Once the engine is running, select drive for forward movement or reverse for backing up. The electronic parking brake is easy to use. Just pull up to engage it and push down to release. Remember to always release the parking brake before driving away to prevent unnecessary wear. When driving, always maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. The CHR is very maneuverable, making parking straightforward. Use your rearview camera and side mirrors to guide you into parking spaces. Practice smooth acceleration and gentle braking to ensure a comfortable ride for everyone in the car. This also helps improve fuel efficiency and reduces wear on your vehicle's components. Your Toyota CHR comes equipped with several advanced features designed to enhance safety and convenience. Explore the Adaptive Cruise Control for a more relaxed highway experience, which automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a set distance. The Lane Keeping Assist system helps keep you centered in your lane, and the Blind Spot Monitor provides visual warnings for vehicles in your blind spots, making lane changes safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.